This is Piney Pepperville. Today we're going to do two different kinds of pickled eggs. Alright, so we're doing two different ones. We're going to do one that's with hot sauce, and another one that's a mustard. And this one is going to be the hot sauce, which is 3 cloves of garlic, half an onion, 1 cup of vinegar, half cup of hot sauce, any kind of hot sauce you want, and we're using Tabasco, half cup of water, and a half teaspoon of salt. And we already have the hard-boiled eggs. I started putting some garlic and onions in each one, and my wife got the brine all ready. And so what we're going to do here is I put some garlic, chopped garlic, some onion in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm going to put a little bit more onion in each one. And I lost count, but I guess it doesn't really matter. They're pretty much even. Got 1 extra egg. Put that in that one. Okay, and now for the brine, and this is the hot sauce one. All right, let's do that. Hopefully this is enough. And we got some crushed red pepper in there too. All right. I want these seeds. Tighten it, get some of the air out, get it mixing through there. Don't quite have enough vinegar. Put a little bit more vinegar in there. That, stick in the refrigerator for 12 to 14 days, which should be ready for the 4th of July, I'm hoping. All right, so this is the mustard pickled eggs, and this we used 4 cups of water, 1 cup of vinegar, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of mustard seed that we didn't have, and 3 tablespoons of mustard. Now the mustard one, you got to bring to a boil and then let it simmer for like 5 minutes. You don't have to do that with the hot sauce eggs. That's just about done simmering, and we will put it in here now. All right, now we're going to pour the brine for the mustard eggs. Let it simmer. It cooled down a little bit. Hopefully it's, you don't want it too hot because you don't want to cook the eggs any more than they already are. Hopefully I don't spill it all over. Close to the top. Put the lid on. Put a little bit more in here. That should be good. Wipe that off. And I didn't do it on the other one, but before you put it in the refrigerator, wipe the jar off real good, just so you get a good seal. And that will sit in the refrigerator till 4th of July. And these are our pickled eggs. These are the ones we did the other day. And these are the beets. This one is the hot sauce, and this one is the mustard. So 4th of July should be looking pretty good and tasting even better. We'll give it a try. Thanks for watching.